All right, fellas, I'm out in the garage here this morning. I'll tell you what, the weather has turned for the worst. It was down into the low 30s this morning, and they were actually calling for snow flurries possibly today. I cannot believe that. I had to turn the heater on just a little bit to kind of warm it up out here in the garage. You can see it's only 53, pretty close to 54. Man, it was a little chilly out here. I had to put my thermals back on. But man, I tell you what, weather is getting bad. All right, let's go over and take a look. I posted a video here a while back on this 36. Let me get my new pointer. Fellas, this is my new pointer. This is, let me see if I can get this to focus. This is a swizzle stick I got with my margarita when we were there in Pensacola, Florida. This is Flounder's Oyster House. You ever get a chance to go there, that food is great. Anyway, this is my new pointer. I may have to paint that ball on the tip there, but y'all remember this one. I got this kit in on a trade, and I started building it, and let me show you here. This one, see the body line there? I had to glue that top on there, and I'll tell you what, that body line, I filled that 3 times and sanded it. This side came out a little bit better. And I just couldn't get it down in that groove good enough. I just kept digging holes. I think the body was sanding easier than that glue was. Let me show y'all. Put that back on there. Let me get over here and get this. What did I do with it? There it is. All right, if y'all remember, I bought some of this Tamiya's thin cement, and I pulled some pieces of the plastic out of the kit there and shoved down this bottle and made a paste out of it. Sprue glue. So that's what I put on that body line and all around there. And boy, I tell you, it just didn't come out very good. And man, I was kind of disappointed. So I thought, well, I had some nice wheels and tires for it, but excuse me. But then I thought, well, heck, maybe I can paint it a flat black and kind of doll the body up a little bit with some makeup and things, kind of tone it down, and then maybe go with these wheels and tires. And I thought, well, that'd be a good idea. But boy, I tell you what, the more I kept looking at that, I just don't like what I see. I don't. You guys know as well as I do. I don't care how much antiquing, rusting you put on there, that's still going to show. So I was at the hobby shop and I saw this 36. This one's an AMT and this one's a Revell kit. So I saw this one and I thought, now this one here is a 3-in-1. You can make it a convertible as well. There's the convertible top for it and things in the front windshield. But I like this 3-window coupe. This one is a 5-window. This one is a 3-window coupe. And I'm really digging that. Now this one, that top, it glues on just like the other one does. It's all separate. That fits really well around there, but you still got the issue right here. I can get my fancy pointer. Still got the issue right here where it lays up in here, that big line right there. That should I try and fill that one in or just leave it alone? Because let me see if I can get this off of here. You can see where this piece here connects down to the body. That's what would have to be filled in because it just doesn't fit right. Well, let me get that back on there. Anyway, I think I like this one better. Now this one, the fenders and everything, the running boards are all one piece. This one here, the running boards actually come off, you can see. And get that off. I see it slides off, which is kind of a good thing because as far as painting, because you can paint these separate and then no chance of getting any bleed over on the body there. But these don't fit very well either. And this body doesn't seem to want to fit very well around here and around here. So that's still going to need some work. But I'm digging that. I'm just really digging this 3-window coupe. So I guess that's the one I'm going to go with, fellas. I don't know. I think they'll just shove this one back in the box and keep it for a rainy day. But go with this sucker right here. And I don't know what I did with those wheels that I had that I was originally going with on this. I might put those on here. I really like those wheel skirts on there though. I'm kind of digging those. Every now and then I like seeing a car with those on there, and this body style really works well with that. But I like to make this into a street rod, so maybe those fancy tires, and maybe a hopped up flatty going to business in there. Just not sure. But anyway, fellas, that's, I just got finished with this 37 Ford monster truck. That looks killer up there in the case, doesn't it? I put it right on top of my 66 monster truck because they're both kind of the same. Well, the body colors are the same, but the chassis are a little bit different in color, but close. So this is going to be my next project, so I guess that's the one I'm going with, fellas. I'm digging it. I want to take my time with this one and get all these body parts to fit right, and then make a decision on what I'm going to do with this right there, because I don't want to mess it up like I did that. See how bad that is? Gosh, guys, I just could not get that right. I didn't think that was going to be that hard, but it sure was. And like I said, I refilled that 3 times, and after that, I figured, I'm just tearing things up, so best leave it alone. So, guys, I figure I'll go with this one here. So, this is the one I'll be working on, I guess. All right, guys, I'm done.